Now, usually I like to give everything about an hour to 2 hours to see my rankings, but it's on video, and I'm going to check now, and then I'm going to come back in about 10-20 minutes and check again if they're not ranked yet. And if they're not ranked after an hour or 2 hours, then this is a complete flop, but let's see. So I'm going to open up in incognito mode. If you're ever checking rankings, you don't really want to be let me just open this. You don't really want to be using your normal browser, because Google will accommodate rankings to you. So let's go ahead and type in our first, which is Toilet Repairs Manchester. So let's enter that and let's see what's going on. Let me just make this a bit smaller. Okay, nothing there. Let's go ahead and click on videos. Oh, and we're number one. So you see what I mean? Very easy, super easy. We are number one on videos. Let's go ahead and go to YouTube and see how we're doing. But this is absolutely mental. You can see all these other YouTube videos which are ranking, have been ranking for ages, and we've just come along, uploaded 1 minute ago from basically, I wouldn't call it a brand new YouTube account, but it's not been used for anything, and we're number one already. So that's incredible. So let's just go ahead and go to YouTube. There's a big smile on my face because I love it when things work. Let's go ahead and click Toilet Repairs Manchester, and let's see, we're not yet ranking here or anywhere yet, but that's okay. We're still ranking at number one on Google, which is pretty good. So I don't think YouTube's even ranked our video yet, and we're already ranking on YouTube. So you can actually see Toilet Repairs Manchester, and if we do today, oh, here we are. Okay, so we are ranking yet. Okay, cool. And our third video is not ranking yet. So anyway, but okay, so I'm pretty happy with this so far. Let's go ahead and look at the next keyword, which is Emergency Plumber Manchester City Centre, and have a look. And remember, these are buying keywords. People are spending ads, and there we are, number one. Emergency Plumber Manchester City Centre, number one in like 2 minutes. And look, there's our other video which is also on the page. Now imagine if you did this with numerous keywords, like 10, 15, 20 different keywords. You will literally, it's called Google Real Estate, where you own multiple listings on the front page on one page. So if you've got 15 listings and all of them are ranking, you are literally going to knock off every single one of your competitors on the videos aspect on YouTube, on Google. Okay, imagine how powerful that actually is for your business. I know it's powerful. Oh, and look, we're ranking on number one. And remember, Manchester is a major city centre. Manchester city centre is a major area. People pay good money for that. Okay, big SEO, big SEO fees, big all of it. Okay, so here we are. You saw how I created the video. And we're there, we're on the first page, and the chances are we're just going to move up in the rankings over the next hour or so. Like I said, I usually give it like an hour or so of rankings, but you can see how powerful this is. We're number one on the videos ranking. And our other videos just moved up, you can see. So it's just incredible. Don't forget, I'm going to be giving you some bonuses if you purchase this through my link, and also let me know what niche you're in. Leave a comment in the YouTube video, because I will do a video relating to your niche and show you what I'm showing you with like all of this now, showing you the angles and stuff like that. But I'll only do that if you've already, I don't want to waste your time or my time. So once you've purchased it, again, through my links, then you're going to, I'll do it for you. Don't worry about it. Okay, so there you have it. Let's go ahead and do our final one, which is, did we do Emergency Plumbers Manchester? Oh, okay, so we're going to do Emergency Plumbers just Manchester now. Okay, so that's a bit broader. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so nothing on the front page. How are we doing with videos? More videos. So we're not actually on the front page. Oh, yes, we are. Here we are on the front page. Not top rankings, but what you can see is, again, God, this software just absolutely baffles me, because, you know, when I used to do SEO and stuff like that, I used to spend hours and hours and hours, you know, finding keywords, finding all of this. But now, you know, utilizing this technique that's not saturated yet. It might become saturated once I release this video, so acting now is always best. But gosh. And look, these are where let me just go back to videos. Here we are. Okay, so we're on the first page, okay, for Emergency Plumbers Manchester. And again, I'm just going to type in, I just want to redo the view, see if we've jumped. We're first for Emergency Plumbers City Centre, which is actually more focused than Manchester. So I'm actually happy that we're there. We're moving up in the rankings on just natural Google. Let's have a look on YouTube to see where we are. Okay, scrolling down. Okay, so we're not on there for Manchester yet, but like I said, usually takes an hour or so. But you know, we're on the first page of Google, which is a bigger search engine, so I'm happy with that. And let me just try the other one as well, which is this. Just okay. We're not there yet, but we will likely rank only because of how fast we've ranked on Google. So there you have it. Hopefully I've made it as practical and realistic for you as possible. I never like to do review videos where I've already, you know, if I'm not showing a real practical example of how this software can be used, then I tend to create review videos, you know, me reviewing it for the first time. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you click the link below, because you're going to see a whole bunch of other stuff as well that you can add to this, and I'm also going to get you a discount for this software as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below once you've purchased it with your niche, because I will certainly help you out there. And you know, thanks for watching. See you later.